Yes. Sinong kasama mo ngayong gabi?
Si Mama po and sila Tita Lola.
Wow, the proud relatives. Can you greet first your supporters? Can you greet them?
Thank you po sa mga nanonood ngayon, lalo na po kay Mama na inuwian pa po niya tong pageant na ito. Thank you po.
Wow, a proud mom. All the way, umuwi pa talaga para naman masaksihan ang pagpatong ng corona sa ating Binibini 1. You know, Kenji, I read your profile and you said here that treating others with kindness and respect. What is kindness and respect to you? What it means to you now?
Treating others with kindness and respect means acknowledging their value, feelings, and value. Treating them as you would like to be treated. And I thank you.
All right, thank you. So again, let's share kindness and respect today, tomorrow, and forever. Thank you so much, Binibini 1. Hi, Jonasel, how are you?
Hello, good evening. Actually, I'm feeling nervous today, but seeing my family and friends supporting me and cheering me make me gain my confidence. And I want to thank all of them for being here today and also for the board of judges.
All right, Jonasel, I know you're from Canada, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me a bit of your experience in Canada?
Well, as a Filipino, some people are criticizing on how I speak English. They're saying that some people are English Carabao, like they're all stereotyping that people in the Philippines are English Carabao. And I proved them that not all the Filipino are like that by speaking in English fluently and good in English.
All right, so you said that you are confident with your skin, with your color, and with your language. But I want to know, what is the main reason why you joined this pageant?
I joined this pageant to make my young me happy. Because when I was a kid, I've dreamed of joining this kind of pageant.
So this is a dream for you?
Yes, and I want to show all the people that criticize me and body shame me that I can still do it even though I'm not sexy enough and mestiza enough. Because yes, I am fat, but I know that I'm sexy. Yes, my color is dark, but I know that because I am a Filipino and I'm proud of it.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, a Filipino from Canada and now here in the Philippines. Let's give a hand to our Binibini too. Thank you so much, Binibini. Thank you so much, Binibini too. And now, approaching on stage, let's all welcome Binibini 3. Hi, Laika. How are you?
You know what? This moment is very nerve-wracking for me, but then, yeah, I'm so proud of myself for stepping up, despite of my fear of speaking in front of hundreds of people right now.
Yes, we have hundreds, I guess thousands of people are here. And yeah, I was reminded by this that overcoming fears is one of a kind of success. Can you expand regarding this statement? Can you explain it more?
Because you know what, when I was a kid, I have this fear that, you know, I am afraid to speak in front of many people, but I bet my family, friends, and relatives are very so proud of me because, you know, I step up in my comfort zone and now I am speaking in front of you all.
All right, that's the beauty of confidence. Thank you so much, Binibini 3. And now let's welcome
Thank you for my family and friends for supporting me along the way.
All right, Daniela, I am impressed that you are currently taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. So why do you want to become a teacher?
I chose to pursue Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English because I believe that learning is not just about teaching people. It's about empowering individuals and innovating communities, transforming communities to be a better. And English as our global language, it opens countless opportunities for communication, learning, and for success. And by specializing English, I want to equip students the qualities and the skills that they need to express themselves, to think critically, and even connecting with the world. I want to be the teacher who can inspire, who can uplift, and make a lasting impact on my future students.
Wow, what a very good answer. Thank you so much, Teacher Daniela, and I hope to see you in the field. Ladies and gentlemen, Binibini 4.
Good evening to each and everyone.
I know Kaina already joined the pageant last year. How do you feel right now?
I still feel nervous, but I know and I believe that I can conquer my fear.
Yes, that's the spirit. Now, Kaina, I am so impressed with your philosophy that you said that soar the above challenges with grace and determination. Would you like to explain it more?
Thank you for that wonderful question, sir. To soar above the challenges with grace and determination. I know and I believe to myself that I can conquer and stand here in front of you. And I believe that through dedication, passion, resilience, and determination, I can share my radiant beam of possibility and positivity. That would be all. Thank you, and Baligi San Manuel.
Alright, thank you so much, Binibini 5, soar high, Binibini 5, Binibini, Isit Norte. Alright, let's all welcome our Binibini 6, representing Isit Sur. Hi, how are you, Gail, right?
Yeah.
Gail. Hi, Gail. Would you like to say something for your fans cheering you on this side?
Good evening, each and everyone. To my parents and supporters, thank you so much. Kami from Binalonan, Pangasinan. I love you guys so much. Thank you.
Alright, all the way from Binalonan, Pangasinan. Now, you said that never stop striving for your goals. And I want you to share now, what are your goals? What are your goals in life?
My goal in life is to improve more, because the person standing in front of you is afraid to show who she is in front of everyone. I am an introvert person. To tell you the truth, this is my first time joining this pageant, and I want to say thank you to our chairman for giving me a chance to represent our barangay. Thank you.
Wow, this is the first time, but nakita niyo naman. Thank you so much, Binibini 6, for conquering your first time in the competition. Binibini 7. Hi, Binibini Lapalo.
Oh, hello.
So, Lapalo has been a beautiful barangay in our municipality. And would you like to say anything or something to your fellow fellow Lapalonians, or how would you say that? Kabarangay Lapalo.
Good evening to my barangay, which is Barangay Lapalo, and I just want to thank to those who always supporting me and for always be there for me. Thank you.
Yes, a 100% from Barangay Lapalo. Nasaan po ang mga Barangay Lapalo, taga-Barangay Lapalo? Ayan, pumalakpak. Now, you said it here that everything happens for a reason. What is the reason? The reason why you're joining this is to step out of your comfort zone. Would you like to expound it more?
The reason why I joined this project is to step out of my comfort zone. And as a person who has been in an accident, this accident left a very visible scar on my face, which is this. And I would like to encourage the youth, or especially the women, to step out of their comfort zone and to be more confident in their bodies. Because I believe that being imperfect doesn't make you less of a person. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Binibining Lapalo. So, as you can see, ladies and gents, you are witnessing empowered and confident Binibini of San Manuel. Thank you so much, Jasmine. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our next Binibini. Binibini A. Hi, Julian. Kamusta ka?
Hi, good evening. I'm very much starving right now, but I'm trying my best to work this way out, so.
Alright, so Jillian, I heard a lot of stories during our press presentation or our presentation that you are a cancer survivor. And you said it here in your philosophy, que sera, sera. This is a beautiful phrase. Would you like to explain to everyone this phrase?
So basically, Kasera Sera means what happens, happens. I learned to trust in God when I had to battle cancer. And now I believe I was able to open new opportunities, especially be here and be able to represent those, the underrepresented. So being able to stand here tonight is so much of a privilege, and I am accepting of anything in life. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Elaine. We can survive everything in this life. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome our Binibini Nine. Hi, Binibini.
Hi, sir.
Would you like to say anything para sa mga taga-Barangay Nara?
To all my supporters, Barangay Nara, and to all people who supported me here today, thank you very much.
Yeah, Audrey, you said here that you are the architect of your own destiny. Would you like to explain it, or what are your dreams or goals in life? How would you like to create or construct your own destiny?
To me, you are the architect of your own destiny. Means that our future is shaped by our choices that we make and the action that we take. And I believe with determination, perseverance, and positivity, we can overcome these obstacles and we can create a life that we envision. Thank you, sir.
Alright, thank you so much, Audrey. You are the architect of your own life. That's a very good statement. And now, let's all welcome our Binibini 10. Hello, Binibini 10.
Hello, sir.
First, I would like to congratulate you. You won our Miss Congeniality, and I can see from your smile how genuine your smile. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga kapwa mo candidates na nag-vote sa'yo as Miss Congeniality?
I want to thankful to all candidates that ako yung napili na for conjunction.
I think you deserve it because your smile speaks it all. Alright, you want to become a successful teacher.
Yeah.
What's the reason why you want to become a teacher like us?
I want to be a successful
teacher someday para matulungan ko po lahat ng mga bata, mga taong nangangailangan para sa pag-aaral niya. And that's all. Thank you.
Yes, and we need teachers like you who looks very genuine. Thank you so much, Binibini Ted, Binibini San Bonifacio. And now let's welcome our Binibini 11. Hello, Cherise, kumusta ka?
Okay lang po.
Would you like to greet our co-barangays in Barangay San Juan?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming here today to support me. Tonight, rather.
Yes, thank you for coming and supporting our lovely candidate. Now, I just want to know the reason why you want to join the pageant, or what is the main reason why you're here?
I joined this pageant to inspire other people through my advocacy, which is mental health awareness. And through this platform, Binibining San Manuel and the Padanong Festival represents gratitude and prosperity. It reminds us the blessings brought to us by the San Roque Dam, sustaining our agriculture, energy, and daily lives. To me, it is not just it is more than just a celebration. It is also a tribute to the lifetime of San Manuel. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. That's a very good answer because we are promoting our culture. Thank you so much, and we are down to the last two Binibini. Let's all welcome Binibini 12. Good evening, Binibini.
Good evening, Sir Alan.
Oh, parang dala-dala mo ang buong San Roque. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa kanila?
I am so grateful standing here tonight with my backbone and my core team. Without them, I would not be here tonight if it's not for them. And I owe it to the people that supports me tonight. Thank you.
Alright, just a little bit background. Our Binibini 12 is a rest backer. She's coming back. Now, my question is, what do you want to offer this time?
As a comeback queen, I want to offer my purpose and my stories and my life experiences. Because those purpose and my core values that instilled in me, that is what made me a woman of substance of who I am today. And that is why I am here, standing here with a purpose tonight. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Binibini 12. Binibini with a purpose. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our 13th Binibini, Binibining San Vicente. Hi, Binibini, kamusta ka?
Well, I fell a while ago in the creative costume, but now I am standing here, hungry.
Yes, we are all hungry. That's a very nice answer. Now, you know what? San Vicente ay talagang laging may corona. And for the last year, our last Binibini is Binibining San Vicente. Now, my question is, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now because I know that I believe in femininity and diversity.
And you said in here that you live your life to the fullest. Would you like to explain it?
To live your life to the fullest means to step outside your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. For a long time, I struggled with the
All right, Angel, your name is Angel, but you look like very Latina, all right? So my question is, you said it here that if you fall 7 times, stand up at 8. Would you like to explain it?
Fall down 7 times, stand up 8. This proverb teaches us that setbacks are inevitable. What truly matters is our ability to rise each time we fall. Life is full of challenges and failures. And as we stand up, we build resilience and move closer to our goals. This isn't just about avoiding failure. It's about how we respond to it. Always remember, persistence in the face of failure is what leads to success. Balig San Manuel.
All right.